Hello and welcome, fellow space explorers! Are you ready to embark on an adventure that's truly out of this world? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind one of the most spectacular events in space, solar eclipses. And guess what? You won't have to wait long to witness one for yourself because a solar eclipse is happening on April 8th, 2024. What is a solar eclipse? A solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the sun and the earth, creating a rare alignment in space. We know that the moon orbits the earth. As it does, it's super rare for it to align perfectly with the sun and the earth. But when the sun, earth, and moon do line up perfectly, we witness the magic of a solar eclipse here on earth. This alignment allows the moon to briefly block the sun's bright light from shining here on earth, which is why it can go from light to darkness during the day. Did you know there is more than one type of solar eclipse? Let's take a closer look at each one and find out what makes them special. First up, we have the most amazing type of solar eclipse, a total solar eclipse. This is where the moon completely blocks the sun, making everything go dark for a few precious moments. During a total eclipse, it gets so dark that you might think it's nighttime, but it's just the moon blocking the sun's light. You can even see the solar corona, the sun's outer layer, softly glowing in the dark sky. Total solar eclipses can be quick, lasting only a few seconds, but they can also last as long as about 7 minutes. Even witnessing just a few moments is unforgettable. During a total solar eclipse, you might also notice something unusual. The temperature gets cooler, and animals become confused by the sudden darkness. Birds might stop chirping, and animals like cows or horses might start heading back to their barns, thinking it's time for sleep. It's like nature hits the pause button. But when it's over, it presses play and everything goes back to normal. Next, we have the partial solar eclipse. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon only blocks some of the sun. This gives the sun a crescent shape, like the moon sometimes looks. It doesn't get as dark as during a total solar eclipse, but the sunlight dims because the sun is partially blocked. It's amazing to witness. Then there's the annular solar eclipse. In an annular solar eclipse, the moon blocks out the sun, but the sun's outer edges can still be seen, creating a dazzling ring of light known as the Ring of Fire. It's like watching the sun glow with a magical halo. And finally, we have the hybrid solar eclipse, the rarest of them all. In a hybrid eclipse, some locations on Earth will experience a total solar eclipse, while others will witness an annular eclipse. It's like getting the best of both worlds depending on where you are. Now, you might be wondering, how can I safely watch a solar eclipse? First off, never ever look directly at the sun during an eclipse without proper eye protection. Looking at the sun, even for a short time, can cause permanent eye damage. Instead, you can use special solar viewing glasses. These glasses have specially designed filters that can block out harmful rays from the sun. As for where you can watch the next solar eclipse on April 8th, 2024, it will be visible from parts of North America, including Mexico, Canada, and the United States. If you're lucky enough to be in one of these areas, you'll have the opportunity to witness this spectacular event. Well, space explorers, that brings us to the end of our space journey today. Don't forget to mark your calendar for April 8th, 2024, and get ready to witness the next solar eclipse. See you next time. Happy eclipse watching! If you enjoyed this video today, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more educational videos like this, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching!